What's up? My name is Kayla. My sign name is Kayla, and today we're going to be learning, is ASL universal? The quick answer is no. American Sign Language is not universal, meaning if you go to another country, they don't know ASL, even if they do speak English. And why is that? It's because American Sign Language is not English. And I know what you're thinking. I'm pretty sure it is. It's not. It does take words from it, but also has a really different grammar structure than English sentences. So it's not universal. If you go to the United Kingdom, they have BSL, so British Sign Language, and vice versa for all different languages. So if you know a sign in American Sign Language, it's not going to translate to another country, and it doesn't even translate all the way to English sometimes. So yeah.